Hi everyone, this is biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Ninth class. In today's lecture we are going to discuss certain features of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. As we all know, the basic structure of every living cell, it consists of three important features. That is, the outer covering of living cell is known as the cell membrane or plasma membrane, we already discussed. In the center of every cell, nucleus is there, we already discussed in our previous video. And the one more thing is present around the nucleus, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the part of the cell which is present between the nucleus and cell membrane. In this video we also going to discuss cytoplasm also. So first we are going to discuss the prokaryotic cell. What are the important features of prokaryotic cell? As the name indicate, pro means before, karyon means nucleus. So before the complete development of nucleus, what is present in the prokaryotic cell here we are going to discuss. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller in size. They are smaller than the eukaryotic cell. They lack nuclear membrane. In case of prokaryotic cell, around the genetic material, nuclear membrane is absent. So, in case of prokaryotic cell, true nucleus is absent. What is true nucleus? That we discussed in our previous video. Genetic material is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. But in case of prokaryotes, nuclear membrane is not present. So true nucleus is absent in case of prokaryotes. Important feature of the prokaryotic cell. So if nuclear membrane is absent, the genetic material DNA is present in cytoplasm of the cell. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell, like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, and chloroplast. So around them membrane is present, but in case of prokaryotic cell, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Chromosomes only composed of DNA. Normally chromosome is made up of DNA and protein, as we discussed in case of previous video, but in prokaryotic cell only chromosome is composed of only DNA. Ribosome is of 70S type. Two types of ribosomes exist, 70S and 80S type. In case of prokaryotic cell, 70S type of ribosomes are present. Cell wall is made up of murine. Respiration occur in mesosomes. What are mesosomes? Mesosomes are the infolding of plasma membrane which are present in case of prokaryotic cells. Here I am going to draw the structure. This is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. In case of prokaryotic cell, what happens? Infoldings of plasma membranes found in prokaryotic cells, which we called it as mesosomes. Inside the mesosomes, some enzymes are present which help in respiration process. Example of the living organism in which prokaryotic organization of cell is present: bacteria and blue-green algae. We use the one more term for blue-green algae. We called it as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is the other term which is used for the blue-green algae. In bacteria and blue-green algae, both prokaryotic type of cell organization is present. So these are the important features in case of prokaryotic cell. Now we are going to discuss eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, as the name indicate, eu means true, karyon means nucleus. It means in eukaryotic cell true nucleus is present. What is true nucleus? that is in which genetic material DNA is covered by the nuclear membrane. Cell is generally bigger in size than the prokaryotic cell. Membrane-bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotes, and the example of membrane-bound cell organelles are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, etc. Here in case of eukaryotes, chromosomes are composed of protein and DNA. Ribosome is of ATS type. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. We are talking about plant cell. In case of fungus, cell wall is made up of chitin, that is also known as fungus cellulose. And cell wall is absent in case of animal cell. We already discussed in our previous video. Respiration occurs in mitochondria. Important cell organelle mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, in which respiratory activities, that is aerobic respiration, is going on. Enzymes are present inside the mitochondria which help in aerobic type of respiration. The example of eukaryotic cell, any animal cell, plant cell, fungus, algae, higher plants, in all them eukaryotic cellular organization is present. I think the concept of prokaryotes and eukaryotes is very much clear to you all. Now we are going to discuss something about the cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? I told you in the start of the video, that is the area of the cell which is present between the cell membrane and nucleus is known as the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is gelatinous liquid, jelly-like substance है, that fills the inside of a cell and present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. क्या composition है cytoplasm का? It is composed of water, salts and various organic molecules. इसके अलावा और क्या present होता है cytoplasm में? It consists of membrane-bound cell organelles, that is mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies. They are all present in the cytoplasm of the cell. These membranes which surrounds these cell organelles, they separate these cell organelles from the cytoplasm. cytoplasm से ये membrane इन cell organelles को separate करने का function perform करती है. साइटोप्लाज्म को कुछ हम इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं. साइटोप्लाज्म, अगर हम इसको एक्सपैंड करें टर्म को, साइटो मीन्स सेल, प्लाज्म मीन्स स्टफ. सो साइटोप्लाज्म मीन्स दैट इज द सेल स्टफ, सेल का स्टफ विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेल. इफ वी कंसीडर ए सेल एज ए बिग वाटर बैलून, अगर हम सेल को एक बिग वाटर बैलून की तरह कंपेयर करें, तो वाटर balloon has little pieces of fruit floating around in it. It means cell is a big balloon. balloon को हम cell मान रहे हैं और इस balloon के अंदर water भरा हुआ है, तो water किससे compare कर रहे हैं? cytoplasm से. But cytoplasm की जो density जो होती है water से कुछ ज़्यादा होती है, वो thicker होता है, और उस water के अंदर जो balloon के अंदर है small fruit कि जो पीसेस है वो फ्लोट कर रहे हैं. फ्रूट पीसेस को हम किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? न्यूक्लियस से, और न्यूक्लियस के साथ सेल ऑर्गेनलीज जो वाटर बॉडीज बैलून के अंदर फ्लोट कर रही हैं. सेल ऑर्गेनलीज लाइक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, लाइसोसोम्स, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, दे आर फ्लोटिंग इनसाइड द साइटोप्लाज्म और वाटर बैलून. But the cytoplasm is the ocean in which all of these organelles float. So I think the concept of cytoplasm is very much clear to you all. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.